Hey guys, I'm Ricky Berry with JKS Manufacturing. This is our brand new Jeep Gladiator build that we built specifically for EJS. This is the 60th anniversary of Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, so we couldn't miss it. JT Build, we've got a brand new link setup with removable skid plates. This will be something that you can keep your link refreshed and keep it looking good over time if you choose to. We're also doing a triangulated upper rear link suspension design. This is a first for us, and we're very excited to get into this more performance-oriented segment and trying to push the limits of what we can do. So with performance in mind, we chose 12-inch factory race 2.5-inch coilovers for this build, front and rear. With the new rear suspension geometry of the Gladiator, we're actually able to get more than 12 inches of travel out of it with the proper valved and rated spring. For axles, we chose the Dana Spicer 72-inch Ultimate 60 front and Ultimate 80 rear. For this Gladiator, it's heavy, it's beefy, and it needs the best. And that's what we went with, this 40 spline chromoly setup. We had to go big on the axles because we went big on the tires. We are running the 42-17 Nitto trail grappler mounted with a 17-inch Method beadlock wheel. So we partnered with Apex Chassis for tie rod and drag link for this build. This is all aluminum. The bling is exactly what we needed for this fit. Because we have these giant 42s, we also went with the full PSC hydro assist setup specifically for this axle, for these tires, tailor built for us, just like everything from PSC. These Jeep Gladiators are huge, so they need to be protected. We went with Motobilt for all the body armor. We've got high clearance fenders front and rear, designed around fitting 42-inch tires. We've got the high clearance bumpers front and rear. This thing is going to be ready for the trail. And better safe than sorry, in case we need it, we've got the worn winch, Factor 55, flat link. You never know. This thing is really going to be built for the trails with fantastic road manners, and it's great. You should buy one. I would recommend it to my friends and your friends. Thank you. Good night.